Hello, everybody. Welcome to Stampede's latest version of our bulk and automation campaign sender. To get started, all you need to do is go to the top right here within the campaign section and choose automation or bulk. I'm going to show you the bulk campaigns first. And the difference between them is bulk campaigns are designed towards emails that you want to write up and send out to everybody in your database at the touch of a button. Whereas automation is a bit different. But first, let's cover the basics of bulk campaigns. So first thing we want to do is give it a name. Add a spend per head. Spend per head would be the amount of money we expect our customers to spend upon returning to the venue after seeing the email. And it's calculated based on connections to the Wi Fi. Every time someone connects to the Wi Fi, your stats will add, say, £50 that you've added in here and keep adding it and give you a return of investment estimate. Next bit here is who to send the campaign to. So our audience can be either all our customers, or we can narrow it down depending on what the campaign is for. So birthday next month, 264 audience. That's how you would do it for these preset templates that everyone will have access to. Or you can create your own by going to the create segment area there and choosing from any of these filters you see here. Once you are happy with your audience, all you need to do is go to how to send, choose if it's an SMS or email campaign. SMS is very simple. All you need to do is add a sender name and the content of the message. Whereas on email campaign, we will move to email options, add a subject line to the email, add a sender, which is very important so that our customers can reply to us and also know who's sending the email. And then I would choose either an HTML where I can paste the code from a previous template that I've maybe designed somewhere else, or I can use a builder here, which is the Stampede builder. So we hit next step. And as you can see, the guys here at the Waterway from First Restaurant Group have made a very, very nice campaign. Very nice color scheme. So all of these things are easily designed by you if you just go to the preset templates here, select the kind of theme of the template that you like, or you can just go through them and see which one you like the most and then edit it from there. Change things like the color by clicking in the outside box and changing, say, the content background color, or adding a background color itself. Then things like buttons or social media buttons, they're all drag and drop. So this customer has done exactly that. They've dragged and dropped images, buttons, dividers, all of this, and basically you throw it in there, click on it, and edit it in whichever way you want in terms of color, design, height, and then this can become this basically. Once you're happy with how the email is starting to look, you can also do quick tests by sending them to yourself here. And yeah, it'll actually send exactly what your customers would receive. But yeah, once you're happy with everything, all you need to do is go to send now in the last section, and it will start sending out your campaign. Automation is slightly different. The only thing that really changes is the who area here, or the filters, and the audiences are defined by the venues. Are defined within the venues that you're going to send this automation from. So you select the venues, you give a name to the trigger, and then here you select what the trigger is going to be basically. So I want birthday. Do I want to do a amount of visits? Or you can even mix and match by adding further rules here, and it will just create another set of rules there. But every other option is exactly the same. And in the send section, all we would have to do is toggle the campaign on. And if it's a campaign that's sent to send out to people 10 minutes after they leave, this just needs to be on. It'll keep on doing that, and you will be able to access the stats of both types of campaign. Both types of campaigns will have the exact same type of report. All you need to do is click on that pie chart in the campaign section here, as I just did. And you'll be able to see, of course, specific email interactions, things like sent, open rate, your return of investment, of course, if you've added an amount of specific money there. But also, you'll be able to see specific customer interactions. So, people who have really returned to the venue very often, you'll be able to see that here, or things like how many emails have been opened, or how many people have opted out. All of these things are accessible in this kind of format that you're seeing here for reporting. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the support team on the live chat button on the bottom right.